AI is streamlining localization with global challenges and precision innovation. Welcome to Localization News You Can Use, your daily dose of localization know-how. Artificial intelligence is undeniably revolutionizing the language industry, bringing both significant challenges and immense opportunities, forcing a major rethink of how we approach localization. A critical area feeling this impact is education. Current training for translators often falls short of equipping graduates with essential AI-driven skills like post-editing, AI output evaluation, and data management. Curricula urgently need an update. Simultaneously, there's a global debate wrestling with AI regulation, trying to balance ethical concerns like misuse and copyright with the need to avoid stifling innovation. A particularly tricky area for smaller players. What's fascinating is how AI strategies vary hugely by region, with discussions in London, Cape Town, and Uruguay revealing different priorities. A strong theme emerging, especially from London, is AI for the next 4 billion, aiming to extend AI's linguistic support to the global south. This is vital because the old create then translate model is increasingly seen as inefficient. AI could shift us towards direct multilingual content generation. Africa, with its 1,000 to 2,000 languages, including dynamic urban ones like Sheng, and unwritten ancient tongues, presents a unique landscape. There's a crucial choice here. Prioritize commercially strong languages or those with the greatest social impact, risking the neglect of smaller ones. Collaborative development, merging local expertise with global North resources, as seen with Microsoft's Mapuchan efforts, is key. Especially given the scarcity of data for many global South languages and significant infrastructure hurdles like limited internet connectivity. Even for widely spoken languages, AI promises improvements. The long-standing challenge of a neutral Latin American Spanish, often failing to satisfy diverse national preferences, highlights the demand for greater specificity. This is where AI-powered hyperlocalization, adapting content to very specific regional or even city-level dialects, explored by firms like Airbnb and Booking.com, shows immense promise. However, it's not without risks. Overdoing it can lead to alienation, as some dubbing experiences have shown. Ethical questions also loom large, from the use of copyrighted material by companies like OpenAI for training models, sparking disputes with entities like the New York Times, to the responsible handling of deepfakes. And, of course, AI faces an ongoing challenge, keeping up with the dynamic, evolving nature of living languages. For localization professionals, this means an urgent need to develop new skill sets beyond traditional translation, encompassing AI model evaluation, data insights, and AI ethics. The disparities in AI development between the global North and South must be addressed, and continuous global dialogue is essential to navigate this rapidly changing field. There are many open questions, making adaptation and ongoing learning more important than ever. Thank you for listening to this episode of Localization News You Can Use, your daily dose of localization know-how.